Hi everybody, it is day 16. The ornament I decided to make today is a snowflake. This is an example. And I'll show you what I made. I did not make it white like the example. I decided to make it in with this yarn because it has sparkles in it and I thought it'd be very pretty. It came out really cute. I have to put a hook on this one too. And I might make another one of this one and give this away as well. But we'll put this, I'm losing space on the furniture. I'm going to have to put some ornaments on the back eventually, but we'll put it right here. So let's go with the pony advent calendar first. So it's day 16. I said, yeah, day 16. Let's see. So this is day 16. Stuff is already falling out. I'm thinking I have it upside down. Yep, I did. Oh. So a lot of these pens. There are a lot of them. A lot of them. I'm going to read the description. I know what these are, but I'm going to read the description anyway. 16. Flower head pens. These long pens with colorful flat heads are ideal for quilting, sewing, and craft projects. Yep, so they come in handy. So that is for day 16. And let's see what this candy is today. Oh, we're in the train again. And you guessed it. Another egg. Okay, so I hope everyone has a wonderful one. Oh, did I even tell you the movies? No, my movie suggestion is a movie that everyone watches, A Christmas Story. You can find it on HBO, but you can find it on TV all the time, especially all day on Christmas. And my song suggestion is by Donny Hathaway, This Christmas. That's my favorite version of that song. Chris Brown has a version too that's okay, but my favorite version is Donny Hathaway's. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Bye.